everybody. My name is Eliana. This is Naomi Helper Baby. So for this recipe, it's like things that are rolled up, and it also has like lots of yummy things. Nutella is my favorite. It's in there. Hey, what are you doing? Okay, so you need 6 eggs, vanilla extract, milk, some powder, and also salt, sugar, and some oil. You can use any oil you have. If you don't have this oil, you can use any oil. So we're making kind of pancakes? No, we're not.
Crepes.
Crepes, yeah. Crepes, they're so yummy. I haven't tried, I just don't. What? Okay, so what do we need to get first? Some of this. So you need first to get a blender and also take all your things and put 6 eggs into your mixer. Then you need milk. And just pour it in. Now we just have to add vanilla extract, just a little bit, just like that. Then we had to add some oil, just like this. Huh. Hey, can you please put it in there? Ouch. Just glad like that. Then we have to add some sugar. Kind of a little bit. You don't need too much. Add flour. Have to add that flour just in here. Good. Ouch. Hey. Now we have to mix it. Just put on your
Naomi.
cap. And then you can put it on medium, low, or anything. Kind of. Take it off. Now you have to just scramble that powder. Now we have to scramble all the flour that is sides, just doing sides if you only see that powder. Now I have to scramble the flour off the sides. Just let you see. Here we go. Can you taste it? Tastes good. Now let it mix one more time. This yummy mixture, you have to give it 30 minutes of rest. Is it sleeping or something? Okay guys, now you have to add hot water into your mixture. Oh, 2 small bowls to put in the water. But it's okay. It's getting hot. Now we have to just mix it around. Oh, it looks like I got something to drink.
Sorry.
You need to get the butter around the pan. Just like that. You have to add your mixture onto the pan. You can also use this if you don't want to flip it Now take it off the pan. Oh no, I got the back. Now it's my turn. Look at that. Perfect. Get some sweets, some strawberries that I like, and blueberries. Cut them up into these pieces. Just take and just cut the middle. And there you go, guys. This is a beautiful thing. You just had to cover up the Nutella because I don't want to taste the Nutella. Okay, so it's time to try it. It's a big one. Taste really good. Love it. But the Crispies are so crunchy on the side. The Nutella inside looks perfect, and the fruits that we added on top, we have just a little bit sticky Nutella out because it's like sometimes get out. I was like really excited. This looks amazing.